Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix all Directx error, how to download and install all Directx. So guys, if you want to all Directx error to download and install, so very easy. Firstly, open Windows key plus R key, Windows key plus R key tab. Type here DXD, DXDIHG. Click on OK. There's version. There's it. Right. So after open any click on enter. Download Direct and use runtime web install from official. So click it. After click on download. Now complete download. Open file. And here the option I accept the element. Check this box. Click on next. Install the Bing Bear. Click on next. Now installing. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to fix all Directx error to download and install Directx. So very easy and simple method. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video also and thank you for watching.